Hey guys, got this sprayer from VOTREK in. I'm excited. Eventually I'm going to be spraying my whole fence all the way around my property. So this is an HVLP paint sprayer. It does list the different viscosity paints that it can do, low viscosity, medium, and some stuff with high viscosity paints. This is a beginner friendly and a pro approved sprayer. So we're going to go ahead and put it to the test. All right guys, I got some paint inside of my sprayer. I'm going to be going with some white paint. A couple of things to talk about is there are different tips. It comes with sizing from 1.0, which is really fine, all the way up to 3.0, which is this white one, which is big, in 0.5 increments. So you got 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. Also, it does come with this clean out tip. So you go ahead and you hook this up to a water source, screw this into your cap here, and this is how you clean your gun out, which is really nice because cleaning it out is sometimes kind of difficult. So to be able to just hook it up to a water source is nice. I'm gonna go for the 2.0. There is a little line up, so we're gonna line that up with any one of the holes, and then we'll put this guy back together. So this is fully adjustable in which direction you want your spray pattern to go. For me, I'm going to be going straight up and down, so I'm going to use this pattern. And then this guy just clicks right onto the gun very easily. You have an arrow and another arrow. There's your unlock. So we're going to line up with unlock since it's unlocked. And we're going to click it over and it's going to click right into place. You got your adjustable trigger here, more or less. It's just going to come a little bit closer to the housing or further away to give you more. And then we're going to go ahead and just screw this on. All right, so one thing I like right off the bat about this VOTREK compared to the other models that I've used is this one is the power is trigger activated. I really like that. Most of them you turn the power on and then you use the trigger and they stay on. So that's really sweet. But let's see how well this 2.0 does. Awesome. I know once you get your rhythm going with this thing, you're going to be able to get some painting done really fast. That's got some really good coverage. That 3.0 puts out a lot of product. I really like it. That's going to be my go-to for this project. All right guys, I'm enjoying this VOTREK. I give it 2 thumbs up. If you guys want to pick one of these up, click on the link below. What I really like about this is it's super versatile. You can change out your heads on the fly. It comes with all kinds of different heads depending on what kind of application you want. So really lightweight, easy to use, and it does a great job. So yeah, click on the link below and pick one up. Thanks guys, take care, bye.